Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by eliminating external causes. First, power off completely and unplug any USB devices or Bluetooth peripherals. You want the trackpad isolated. Once done, boot into the Recovery/Options menu using ESC plus Refresh plus Power or Restart via Settings so you can access diagnostics. Make sure to note whether the cursor responds in this mode. If it does, the issue is likely software, and if it does not, proceed to the next step for driver and hardware checks. Now you address the system layer. Perform a hardware reset by holding Refresh plus Power for about 10 seconds to reinitialize the embedded controller. This often restores touchpad responsiveness. Next, check settings under Device, toggle the touchpad off and on, and adjust sensitivity to test. If toggles fail, back up your data and perform a power wash to reset Chrome OS. This removes software corruption. Make sure to follow prompts carefully and keep your Google account info for re-login after the reset. Finish by ensuring the OS is current. Go to About Chrome OS and install updates because drivers and firmware fixes are often bundled there. If updates and Power Wash do not resolve the cursor, create a recovery USB with the Chromebook recovery utility and perform a manual system reinstall. Make sure to test the cursor after reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if the cursor still fails after reinstall and a hardware reset, the trackpad or its cable is likely defective. Contact your manufacturer or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.